Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying prerequisites so the system can permit voice. Confirm your Xbox Live account email, age, and privacy settings allow communication. Next, link your Roblox account to the Xbox profile and open Roblox settings to enable allow voice. Once done, check your network, open or moderate NAT matters for voice packets, so switch to wired Ethernet or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band if possible. Do these first steps now to unlock the features Roblox and Xbox require to negotiate a voice channel. You now adjust permissions and audio devices so voice functions correctly. On Xbox, set communication and multiplayer to everyone or friends to let Roblox connect. Without that, voice is blocked. Then configure console audio, choose your headset as default input and output, enable microphone and adjust mic monitoring so you hear yourself. In Roblox, toggle in-game voice on and accept the microphone permission prompt. The game requests it only once. Make sure volume and voice privacy on Roblox match your Xbox settings to avoid. You finish by joining a voice-enabled Roblox experience or party to verify everything works. Invite a friend or join a test server. If you're not heard, check that you aren't muted in the Xbox party, the Roblox in-game voice slider is up, and the console's mute LED isn't lit. If problems persist, restart the console, power cycle the router, and re-authenticate your Roblox and Xbox accounts. This clears token or NAT hiccups. One key tip: test with a wired headset to isolate wireless audio issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.